Hey, this is JDNFIA. I'm going to show you how these chords here that I'm playing, they are called 11th chords. And this chord comes from the series of slash chords that I've been studying. So we're going to talk a little bit about slash chords. And I'm going to show you how, where you can use this chord and how you can use this chord at your disposal anytime you're ready. Alright, so as we've been talking about with slash chords, a slash chord is basically a triad in your right hand. So I'm just playing a regular C major chord, C, E, and G. And in my left hand, I can play any bass note. Alright, so I can play any left hand note with that right hand chord, and that's going to give me a slash chord. So right here we got the last video we talked about the D flat over C, or I'm sorry, C over D flat. Alright, and that gave us our diminished 7 or diminished major 7 chord. Alright, you can go C over B flat, C over A flat, C over G flat. Alright, all these are just different options. C over E, C over F. Alright, so the one that we're going to talk about today is going to be the second scale degree. Alright, last time we talked about the D flat, C over D flat. This time we're going to talk about C over D. And when we play a C over D, alright, that outlines a 11th chord. Let me show you why it's 11th. It's going to be, so D is our root, alright. C is going to be our flat 7, alright. If we take the D major scale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is our major, D flat is our major 7, C would be our flat 7, alright. The E right here will be our 9, alright. And then the G will be our 11th. The 4th note in the scale is also the 11th note. So by playing this C over D, it gives us a D11 chord. Alright. So if I want to take that anywhere on the keyboard, alright, if I want to play, let me tell you the easy way to find that so you'll be able to go right to it. Anytime you want to play this chord, all you have to do is go back a whole step and play a major chord. Alright, so if I want to play it off of B flat, I'm going to go back a whole step to A flat, alright, and play an A flat major chord. Now, usually when I play this chord, I play it root position, alright, and I will play the A flat, the C, and the E flat, and then I will add this second note right here, the B flat, alright, and that's going to give me a B flat 11 chord, alright. Now, this chord is a dominant chord. That means it comes from the Mixolydian scale. So you will use this chord anytime you're playing a 5 chord, and it's going to want to resolve to the 1 chord. So if you're playing the B flat, that's going to want to resolve. The B flat is the 5th note in the E flat major scale. It's a 5 chord, and just want to go to E flat major. All right. If I want to play it off of B, I'm going to go back a whole step. It's going to give me A. I play an A major chord. Playing A, B, C sharp, and E. I like to add that second note. Alright? And the B is the 5th note. So if I was playing in the key of E, this would be my 5 chord in the key of E. Alright? If I want to do it off of, I just go around the piano and show you these. So you can use this anytime you're doing a 5 chord. And it'll work well in your 2-5-1 chord progression. So if I was in C again, I'll play 2. Alright? 5. Alright, so I'm playing F in my right hand, F, A, and C. Alright, and I'm playing G in my left hand. G is my 5 chord, so I go back a whole step. It's going to put me F, that tells me what chord to play. Alright, and it's going to want to go to C. So we got 2, 5, 1. Alright, I'll just show you some 2-5-1s that you can do. If I want to do E flat 11 chord, I'm going to play E flat in my left hand, go back a whole step. Play D flat major in my right hand. Alright, so E flat will be the 5 chord in A flat. So I'm going to play a 2, B flat minor. Alright, to my 5. Alright, to my 1. If I want to do a D11 chord. So if I was doing a D11 chord, D is the 5 chord in G. Alright, so I will be playing the key of G. Alright. I'm going to play D. I'm going to go back a whole step to C and play a C major chord. So my 2-5-1 progression will be 2, A minor. Alright. To D, C over D to my G major. See, A flat would be G flat major. So A flat my left hand, go back a whole step, I got G flat major. That's gonna want to go to D flat. Just trying to show, I should have just went in order. Just trying to make sure I get most of. If I was to do it, I did E, I think already. If I was to do F, I haven't did F. F, alright, gonna go back a whole step, play E flat major. Alright, F is my 5 chord in B flat. Alright, so it's gonna want to resolve to B flat. Alright. G flat. Do G flat. G flat is my 5 chord in B. Alright, so I will go back a whole step from G flat. That's gonna be E major, down to B major. Alright, so yeah, I hope that helped. Very simple concept. Use it for your 5 chord. Alright, if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.